Hello, good day, and God bless. I hope this video finds me a new employer, a new family to serve with all my heart and sincerity. I'm Marites. You can call me Tess. I'm a single parent of 3 children and a grandma of 4 little ones. I've been here in Hong Kong for 8 years. My first employment was 2015 to 17, finished contract. I went home to the Philippines, came back 2019. For my current employer up to this day, for financial reason, they had to cut off my contract. So I've been given at least a month to find a new employer. Please, and I'm hoping to find you here. Hmm. And I'm sorry, I really don't have that special skills that they say, but I know I can be good at it. Cooking, taking care of child, and especially the household. The household chores, the household work is where I'm best at. That's what I've been doing. So I can take elderly just like my parents, my dad and mom before they passed away. And for my personality, I just like a happy day, a happy life, easy, and I don't want arguments. I can give my 101% honesty and sincerity to every person I'm close with. I'm not good at lying. I want to work alone with no other helper in the family just to avoid trouble with other co-worker. And I usually prefer a couple with 2 kids. Uh, I can be with newborn or a family with 4 to 6 years old child that I can handle, and a healthy or not so sick elderly I can manage, and I can cook. Just give me the direction, give me the ingredients, I can do it. And so hope to see you soon. Please pick me. And check my profile at the Helpers Library app. Thank you.